It's an honor to accept this recognition on behalf of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, whose wisdom is at the heart of this work. In his words, the most precious human quality is warm-heartedness and caring for one another.
Thiring chilu ni dong ni shu tsa zhou chin da chuk be ce sum ni gi nga zhou shu ge be po zhang tu Tengwen chinur gong sa kem gwen chen bu cho da nyam le gi se du nang we che da ryo yang sung de gi khor ta Meditations, the reflections of His Holiness the Dalai Lama Sheba Ther Diloi Grammy Award she gi ji ryo yang che bu gi seng da thob yo da Khorda thei nang royang tangkhen gyagar gi jayang pa thajin kushap Ustad Amjad Ali Khan la chebe khonggi phu Aman Ali Bangash la tha Ayan Ali Bangash la theshin khorda sutim ba Kabir Segal la che ne khani chogi chejar shubatang tel Grammy singta theni ngwe su bilam shu song Theyang thiringa to gongsa chogi chejar ma shu gontu dige sargo bar kushap Ustad Amjad Ali Khan la gi
The voice of His Holiness is so spiritual, so beautiful, so amazing.
Gongsa chogi sungdi mikse ki nangsem la yidu wangwa shik dukbarte ngansu khani chogi sungden be tho royang langde khorda shi sudu nang yo pather geji royang cepi gi sengta thob yo par thiring gongsa chola Grammy sengta theni ngusu bilam shuje du charwa yin she sung song theshin gongsa chogi sungda dayang dembe khorda sudu ba Kabir Segal la gi
4 years ago, we started on this project.
Lo Shigun to Mansu Guze wa Tajin Kachi the Lendu Tudurki, Chamninje Rintang Teshin Guze Gilamne Gombe Che to Che the Royang Sung to Debe Kordaji Sudu Nangu Tajo Chungwater, Chino Gonsakem Gun Chembuchogi Sung Dembe Kordaji Sudu Nang Yobater, Diloi Chindani Be Chik Nin Ari Los Angeles Tongir du Sobe, 68th Grammy Award Che Giji Royang Sengta Teng Tuju Rebgebe To. Best Audiobook Narration and Storytelling Recording Thagi Dadep Thang Tungdam Jaju gi Tsebu Sengta Thobyo Bakhang Dar Yang Kap Thi Tu Gongsa Cho Ku Ni Sengta Bishe gi Zego Tho Chipgyur Kyang Thob Me Ba Song Song Jekha Drupsam Kushap Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Lagi
Anybody can get Grammy, but we have to be more tolerant and patient.
Grammy Sengta Theshin Khangsa Sunda Shiki Kyang Lang Thubgyu Jigim Pathang Sowo Ngansu Ngune Susen Thang Ngangyu Ringpo Nang Gugel Yimba Khang Tar Yang Thengap Zamning Dirma Thu Gi Netang Tho Mimang Kha Chi Ne Thadung Chelu Ming Du Khen Ne Misu Thajur Gi Lela Jushin Ba Ngyu Du Be Lobam Chembo Ye Che Thang Khong Ni Zamning Nang Gi Chelu Changmar Thegu Nangken Shik Yimba Thang Theyang Khong Gi Gongsa Cho Gi Kalob Lamde Ne Shedo Chungwa Deje Thang Del Ngansu Gongsa Cho Gu Tshu Kap Gola Dirne Yo Pathe Ke Ba Sangbo Yimba Thenggu Nang Song La Shwenge Chor Dubde Sangbo Shi Thobde Yona Sesen Thang Ngangyu Ringbe Rintang Ni Kegang Cheshu Shi Yimba Song Song
Especially for younger generation, if you want to achieve your destination, you have to be tolerant and patient. Bardasht aur sabr, yahi puja hai, yahi ibadat hai. Everybody should be tolerant and patient, then only he can achieve his goal of life.
My generation facing a lot of problems. Like your generation, future, hopefully, more peaceful.
Tsewe Diloi Grammy Sengta Thugi Dese Nang Tsebu Gi Chaga Thobe Khorda Thei Nang Chamdang Tsewa Shide Dang Samde Theshin Gola Chi La Khabe Rintang Je Gongsa Kem Gyun Chembo Chogi Kuze Hilber Ringi Thogong Sungde Nang Shin Ther Gyagar Gi Trayang Ba Thaje Ustad Amjad Ali Khan La Chebe Khonggi Phu Aman Ali Bangash La Tang Ayan Ali Bangash La Sumgi Gyapjong Gi Royang Tangte Chwe Dang Royang Sungdu Debe Thebe Nyamnyong Shi Yimba Mase Ngalu Chinda Gebe Nang Khorda Di Dönbe Nang Jesu Keji Kyun Yong Su Ngunzi Tang Ga Min Shuk Chembo Nang Ken Chung Yo Par Re